In today's video, we're going to tackle a key topic for success on Upwork, the job success score. If you have ever wondered how this score impacts your chances of getting hired on Upwork and how to improve it, you're in the right place. I'm Shayan, a top-rated freelancer on Upwork with almost 100% job success score, and I've earned more than $20,000 on the platform so far. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is job success score, how is it exactly calculated, why is it important for your freelancing career on Upwork, and finally, how can you improve your score on Upwork to get hired and win more projects on Upwork. So let's get started and discover the secrets of Upwork's job success score. Job success score is a metric used by Upwork to measure the success of its freelancers based on different factors. Upwork uses a complex algorithm that considers different factors such as the number of completed projects, client satisfaction or feedbacks, and repeat clients to determine your job success score on Upwork. So right here at the very beginning of the video, you can already understand that building strong client relationships and getting feedback, positive feedbacks from your clients can have a major impact on your job success score. Now that we know what exactly is job success score, let's dive deeper and see how this metric can impact your freelancing career on Upwork. Your job success score is not only a reflection of your past success, but it's a crucial metric that determines your future success on the platform. Here are a few reasons why job success score is very important for you as a freelancer on Upwork. Clients on Upwork often rely on job success score to determine your trustworthiness and credibility. A high job success score means that you have consistently delivered high quality work to your clients and you have satisfied clients with their projects. It serves as a powerful testimonial to your skills and professionalism and making clients more likely to hire you on Upwork. Now, another significant benefit of maintaining a high job success score on Upwork is the opportunity to earn Upwork badges. Badges like top rated or top rated plus are highly esteemed and can have a significant impact on your credibility and reputation on Upwork. These badges act as a signal to clients that you are an exceptional freelancer and have a history of delivering exceptional results on Upwork. Last but not least, the other advantage of maintaining a high job success score on Upwork is the access to premium features on the platform. Upwork offers exclusive features and benefits to freelancers that have a strong job success score and are recognized as a top-rated or top-rated plus on the platform. This includes access to premium job listings, early payments, invitations to exclusive projects on Upwork, and premium support on the platform. Now that you know the importance of having a high job success score on Upwork, let's discover some practical strategies and tips to help you boost your score and also improve your overall performance on the platform. Now, this might sound very obvious to you, but the foundation of having a high job success score on Upwork is by delivering exceptional and high quality results to your clients. Meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and go above and beyond to deliver exceptional and high quality results to every single project that you take on Upwork. By exceeding your clients' expectations, you increase your chances of getting a positive feedback from your client at the end of the project and also to have repeat businesses with the same client. The second tip that I have for you is to be selective with the projects that you take on Upwork. I know it's very tempting to accept every single project that comes to your way, but don't forget that quality is the key. Focus on taking projects that align with your skills, expertise, experience, and your interest so that it can help you to deliver exceptional results and high quality work to the client. Last but not least, communication is everything. Right from the start, make sure that you and your client have the same understanding of the project requirements, goals, and deadlines. If necessary, make sure to have a meeting with your client in the very beginning of the project so you can discuss everything in detail and avoid any misunderstandings. Also, don't forget to ask your clients to leave a feedback for you at the end of each project, because this plays a very important role for you to have a high job success score on the platform. For those of you that are still watching the video up to this second, I have a bonus tip for you that is a practical strategy that can impact your job success score immediately on Upwork. Imagine that you have went above and beyond with every single project and you've had positive feedback from different clients, but one project didn't go as you expected, it went wrong, and one single negative feedback can have a strong impact on your job success score and reputation on Upwork. Now, the good news that I have for you is that Upwork provides a mechanism to address inaccurate or unfair feedback on the platform. If you are a top rated or top rated plus freelancer on Upwork, your hard work has earned you more control over your profile on the platform. This means that occasionally you can request feedback removal by contacting the Upwork support team directly. If you believe that the review left by a client on your profile is unjustified, inaccurate, or has misleading information, you can contact Upwork support directly and ask them to remove that feedback from your profile. Now, the good news is that not only they will remove the feedback from your profile, but also they will remove it from your job success score, so it will have zero impact on your job success score. I'll put the link to Upwork's article regarding feedback removal in the description below, so you can check it out and gather all the necessary information that you need and contact Upwork support directly from there. Remember, building a strong job success score on Upwork requires time and consistent effort. By focusing on delivering high quality results to your clients, be selective with the projects, and keep a good communication with the clients, you will be good on creating a reputation on Upwork and maintaining a high job success score on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow freelancers. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, guides, and strategies on achieving freelance success on Upwork. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy freelancing.